And I'm Josh.
And we have 5 kids.
And we're still alive to tell about it.
One of the most dreadful things we hear as parents is, "Mom, I'm bored."
Here are 3 great things to bust that boredom. Bust it. One great idea when your kids get bored is to use a homemade fort building kit. We made ours out of PVC for less than $40, and you just cut up the small pieces and put some connections with them and you're off.
It's fun because usually one kid will start it and then others will kind of walk by and join in. So by the end, it's kind of a team effort when one person just started it.
It really is for all ages.
Another thing we love to encourage the kids to do when they're bored is engage in some quiet time activity. And really these are emphasis on things like creative play. So art and building blocks and marbles and
reading.
With 4 younger brothers and sisters, it's great to get the opportunity to have some quiet time sometimes.
It's nice to play quietly because you get to have time by yourself. It's peaceful.
Kids don't necessarily self-regulate very well, and as much as they'll fight it, they often need time to kind of compose themselves and have that quiet time to get themselves together so that they can be in a good mood and just be their best self later in the day.
That was just extra.
Another idea that we love in our household is a homemade slackline. A slackline is kind of like a tightrope. It's about a 2-inch wide band that runs about 20 or 30 feet where the kids can learn balance and stability and core control.
Kids obviously like to be moving, so it's important for them to have an activity available that challenges their strength and core and is also like an individual challenge for them that they can kind of work to get better on, and they can compete with each other too.
And it's outside, which gives them fresh air, which is always a bonus. When kids get bored, it's important to provide them with spaces where they can discover, they can be creative, they can play together, they can use teamwork.
If you're anything like us, there's at least a few activities around your house your kids can be doing, so there is no reason for them to be bored.
1, 2, 3.